that's really troubling to me because I believe that government can do good things. It can do big things. We just need to do them. I believe strongly that there is a value to government and to governing, that our government agencies and programs can make a difference in the lives of ordinary Americans. A 21st century country also means investing in our education system so that our students of today can become the engineers and the entrepreneurs and the medical professionals of tomorrow. Immigrants have been the backbone of so many of our country's great successes. There's a lot of room for bipartisan agreement on reforming our immigration system. We have to come together to make that happen. Democrats have long said Obamacare was not the end all. We never pretended that it was. But instead of seeking the middle ground, the Republican majority and the Trump administration sought out the far-right voices. That was on display last week when the House capped off a long few months of dramatic efforts to repeal the Affordable Care Act by finally passing, I think, one of the worst pieces of legislation, process-wise and content-wise, I've ever seen on the House floor in my 19 years. Tax reform not only happens once a generation, it happens once a generation because it is bipartisan. In the end, it must be done in a comprehensive way so families and working Americans who rely on some of these deductions, that they don't feel the pinch themselves. I'd like to see tax reform also fund a large infrastructure package, not just highways and bridges, as we have with our own infrastructure governor, but also investing in broadband and internet and school construction and energy independence. We shouldn't pass up the opportunity to improve both our tax policy and our nation's policy at the same time.